I'm moving into another type of video. It is called the big picture video. So what is a big picture video? Let me give you an example. If you are growing on a big organization, then people come in the start and start working in their departments for years, developing fragmented knowledge of how the whole business works. And trust me, guys, big organization, mid-sized organization, people are working in finance, they just know about finance. People are working in HR, they don't know anything beyond HR. People who are working in one specific department, they do not have a clue who is the upstream, who's the downstream department, and on what really happens to the work before it has reached you, and what will happen to it after it goes away from your table. So, and I'm not making this up, I'm just quoting very senior leaders telling me that this is the challenge that they face in their organization, that people don't know beyond their silo how does the whole business work, how does the ecosystem work. So a big picture video is a training leader's best friend if you want to clarify the understanding of how business works, how a certain industry works, or how departments function together, or workflow of any process, or how your business or department contributes in the whole value chain. So, people generally, after working for a long time in organization, they still do not develop how does the whole thing work, what is the whole shebang. They still don't get it. And typically new hires, when they come in and they try to hear this fragmented knowledge from two odd people that, okay, tell me something, how does the insurance industry really work? And you know what? The answer to that, nobody knows. So he's just making up. The person is just listening to other people feed him wrong information. So as a training leader, I believe it is our responsibility to give this kind of information to people, which is the big picture style information. So my favorite metaphor is that all of us have gone to zoos and big parks, and there we would see a board which would say, "You are here." And then it shows the whole map, and you see where is the tiger, where is the lion, and things like that. And it also shows a point and it marks it right there and says, "You are here." So what that does is it gives you a sense of how big the whole zoo is, where I can find what. So it gives you a very good sense of navigating the space in the way that you would want to. So taking that metaphor into the video technology, this is a great way to create a video which explains a lot of these complex relationships between departments, between various organizations, or just explain the ecosystem of how things are. So let me give you show you how one of those videos really look like.
Hi, and welcome to this module on understanding US healthcare insurance ecosystem. So here is a member who could be an individual or an organization representing a group of individuals who purchases an insurance product from the insurance company with a promised set of member benefits as a service. This member now can avail the service of healthcare providers like individual doctors, physicians providing consultation, treatment options, emergency services, regular man or woman checkup, or diagnostic services, and healthcare facilities like hospitals, nursing facilities like long-term care providers, and also ancillary services like laboratories, radiology, physical therapy, etc. The providers then, based on the treatment.
So guys, just wanted to show you an idea that what you can do with a big picture video is to really map out the whole ecosystem or an industry or the workflow or the project timelines, anything that you want that is slightly bird eye views information, and is going to help people appreciate the scale of things, or will help people find their place in the whole value chain. So things like that, which are currently not addressed in the organization, leaves people working for years without even developing an appreciation for how big is their company and how does that company work, and what really happens to the material when it's shipped to the distributor. What really happens beyond that? People have fragmented information about their own company and its business. This is a great way to build that understanding, guys. It is training leaders' best friend in my view, which is called a big picture video.